Alright guys, welcome to part 5 of this video, and hopefully you guys noticed that this thing did not come with a battery, so I'm going to have to figure out which battery to use not to make this explode. I might ask the awesome advice of none other than Steve, because I don't want to misread this information here, and it's very technical and very mathematical, and if I get it wrong, I burn the camera. So that would be really a horrible thing, a terribly horrible thing. So I won't do that. Maybe I'll ask his advice. For his advice, in here we have some kind of mount stuff. Not like the mountain, no. It's not like Mount Everest or anything. It's just a mount so that I can mount the camera onto something.
Likey